In this video, you will learn how to play G sharp and A flat on your alto saxophone, and we're getting started right now. Well, hi there, welcome to LearnSaxophone.com's YouTube channel. My name is Greger Hillman, your friendly saxophone teacher online, and in this video, you will learn how to play G sharp and A flat on your alto saxophone. Now, the G sharp and the A flat, that's actually the same note. Well, it's not the same note when you look at it on sheet music, but you use the same fingering for those notes. So to keep things simple throughout this video, I'm just going to refer to this note as the G sharp note. But if you're looking to learn the A flat, just know that it's the same fingering. Okay, so in the intro of this video, you heard me play this note. You can play it in 2 octaves within the normal register on the saxophone, and we're going to cover that right now. So, in order to play G sharp on your alto, you start off with the basic G fingering, and that's the B, A, and G keys, like this. And all you need to do in order to get the G sharp is to add the plate key here on the side. So the upper plate key, this is the G sharp or A flat key that you use in order to get that note. And it sounds like this. So I'm going to play it one more time and you can play along and listen in to make sure that you're hitting this note the right way. So one more time. The G sharp. Here we go. If you're not able to play this note, just make sure that you do not have any sticky keys on your saxophone. This is quite a common issue that can happen from time to time. And especially with this G sharp key, you can see that it should be opening this key right here when you press down on the G sharp key. If it's stuck, or if you feel or hear that it's sticky, make sure to check out the video that I have here on the channel on how to fix sticky keys. So I'm gonna leave a link for that below this video in case you need that. Okay, so now you know the basic low G sharp fingering. Let's take this up 1 octave. And notice that I'm still holding that same basic fingering for G and the G sharp key here. And the only thing you need to do in order to bring this up an octave is to add the octave key here on the back of the saxophone. So simply by pushing in the octave key here, that will give you G sharp in the upper octave. And that sounds like this. So what you can do now, when you learn how to play G sharp in the lower register and also in the upper register, you can practice doing octave jumps. And that will help you develop control over this note and also over your saxophone in general. And that can sound like this. I'm going to start off with low G sharp, and then I'm going to jump up to high G sharp simply by adding the octave key here on the back, like this. So that's a little bit of an exercise that you can incorporate once you learn these notes right here, and also the other notes that I teach in other videos, in order to develop more control over your playing. But now you know everything you need in order to play the G sharp note and also the A flat note. And if you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe. If you got any question, post them below. Check out these videos, links below the video as well for a saxophone fingering chart. And remember to have fun with the sax, play on, and I'll see you in the next video.